Good afternoon. I wanted to share a quick message about the progress in our math review and to address some questions related to summer curriculum writing time. I'm confident that your rep from the math review team has shared our progress throughout the year, and I wanted to provide a quick summary so that we all hear the same message. This year, we've dedicated time to learning about best practices in math pedagogy, discussing programmatic goals for our K-12 math experience, articulated some criteria of a successfully implemented instructional plan. I want to share with you a few of the high priority values in those criteria. We acknowledge it's important to have a balance of conceptual understanding and procedural fluency. We want differentiated opportunities for all of our learners. We want to make sure that students have authentic problems to solve, that they share their thinking explicitly, and we push them to grapple and make meaning of math concepts. Additionally, we want our students to have opportunities for purposeful, recreational math. We used those criteria as the lens through which we looked at anything new that would impact our instructional practice. After all the discussions and the resource review, the group came to consensus that we would delay the purchase of new resources and focus our energy instead on professional development for this upcoming year. We've partnered with Math Solutions, a company that specializes in math professional development. Check out their website if you're interested in learning more. Our PD plan has two basic parts, an upfront 2-day seminar and job-embedded coaching. The dates for those 2 summer PD days, which will likely be focused on number talks and number and operations, have been scheduled for August 3rd and 4th. In our data dive, we learned that consistently across our K-12 program, students show the greatest opportunity for growth in number sense. Additionally, the team wanted to build on the success of academic discourse that has been built into the Reader's Workshop by learning more about how that can look in math through number talks. Following that upfront training, we'll have 2 days of on-site coaching in the fall and again in the spring. This job-embedded coaching intends to support the summer PD as well as enhance strategies for differentiating and deepening content knowledge. If you are unable to attend the PD in August, unfortunately there isn't a makeup day, nor is there a video to watch to catch up. However, those unable to attend this summer will be included in the job-embedded coaching. In addition to the teacher PD, principals will join our Math Solutions partners on walkthroughs in order to support their development of best practices. Your rep on the math review team has a copy of the PD plan, and while there have been some amendments, you're welcome to look at the scope of what the plan has to offer. The team is very excited about this PD opportunity, and we hope you are as well. If you continue to have questions after you've connected with your rep, please don't hesitate to reach out to principals or to me with questions. We're here to help. Now on to summer curriculum writing. With curriculum review, there's often an opportunity for summer work. Since reviewing the PD plan, some of the reps have made the request to delay the curriculum writing until after the summer PD. That way, any planning that occurs is done through the lens of our new learning. Other groups might have already identified needs, and for them, it doesn't make sense to wait until later, and they'd prefer to meet early in June or July. So here's the plan. District grade level teams should consider their curriculum writing needs. Each group should reach consensus about what tasks need to be completed, how much time that work will take, and when the majority of the team wants to meet, and share that information with me. The district grade level team can decide if it makes sense to meet before our August dates or wait until after the summer PD. Any groups that decide that they'd like to delay their work until after August 3rd and 4th, please know that the curriculum writing time does not need to be completed before workshop week. That time can extend into the school year. When planning curriculum writing time, please plan to work as a district-wide team. We know that it may be challenging to gather all of your colleagues, as some have commitments over the summer or into the school year and may not be able to attend. So work to find dates that work for as many of your team as possible. I like to use Doodle as a schedule manager, and if you'd like to learn more about that, please don't hesitate to ask. When we've decided on dates and hours, I will reach out to the grade levels below and above yours to make sure that we have representation of a vertical team. While we won't have the entire grade level below and above, we'll probably have 1 to 2 reps that bookend your grade. Curriculum writing gives the group an opportunity to grapple with concepts and reach agreement about our district scope and sequence. It's important to know that I value a collaborative process with the goal of improving the learning experience for our students. It's important to note too that I don't intend to give every group a set amount of hours. Some groups have more work to do than others, and in order to be a good steward of our resources, it seems to make more sense to design a skeletal plan to determine needs rather than fill up an arbitrary number of hours with tasks. I'm hopeful that this bit of information has clarified not only some of the specifics of where we're headed, but also provided an understanding as to why the group reached consensus about these as our next steps. Please connect with your math curriculum review rep, your principal, or Mary or me with any questions. Have an awesome day.